It's a busy day here in Brooklyn. We're delivering 3 Cleaver-Brooks industrial water tube boilers that's going to supply medium temperature hot water to the Red Hook and New York City Housing Authority houses.
Simply for just getting the crane built and ready to pick up these large, heavy boilers, it comes in about 10 or 15 trucks, and they spend all morning building it.
Each one of the boilers weighs about 70,000 pounds, and they took about a week to travel here from Lincoln, Nebraska.
As the building goes up, you'll notice there's no walls, there's no roof. That's because we got to put these large pieces of equipment in first, and then the rest of the building can get built around. So right now they're putting in the boilers, then they'll put a roof over that, then they'll put generators, then they'll put a roof over that, and just keep going with the plan.
The boilers down in this area all went underwater with Superstorm Sandy. So the objective of this plant 4 years ago was to determine a place where they can actually install a new heating plant away from the flood zone. So about 4 years ago, that process started with Arup Engineering in New York City, and we went through assisting them with the design. All the drawings were developed, it went out to bid, was awarded to MPN in 2019, and here we are in 2021, finally getting the boilers delivered to the job site. Thank you for joining us for phase 1 of this project. We will continue to provide you with updates as the project progresses.